Oh no, the truck broke down again. Let's find the cheapest truck repair shop near me. Found it. Although, this shop is not an authorized dealer shop and started operation this year, but they are the cheapest.
Do not worry, we have repaired the truck and you can take it. We have used a refurbished part as it was cheaper compared to the original.
This mechanic helped me save $200. Authorized dealership would have costed me more. Oh no, it again broke down in the middle of the road. Now, I will have to call towing company. This time, I will take it to an authorized Cummins dealership. Oh no, the towing company is asking for $2,000 and there would be a downtime for repair as well. This would be a loss of more than $5,000. GB Truck and Diesel is an authorized Cummins dealer in Edmonton. I should have contacted them earlier. After 3 days.
We have repaired the truck and since we are an authorized Cummins dealer, our work comes with nationwide warranty, so you can drive your truck with peace of mind.
I made a mistake of going to an unauthorized, new truck repair shop since it was cheaper, but I paid a lot for it in the long run. From now onwards, I will be using only the services of GB Truck and Diesel since they have been working on heavy-duty trucks for more than 50 years and are an authorized Cummins dealer.
Learn more on our website now.